How did balance of payments cause Argentina's debt crisis? Have you ever wondered how a country's financial health can spiral out of control? The Argentine debt crisis offers a clear example of this. One key factor in this situation was the balance of payments. This term refers to the record of all transactions between a country and the rest of the world, including trade, investment, and financial flows. When a country consistently spends more than it earns, it creates a deficit in its current account. This deficit needs to be financed, often through borrowing or attracting foreign investment, which can lead to increased external debt. In Argentina's case, during the 1990s, the country faced a fragile balance of payments position. It relied heavily on foreign borrowing to cover its deficits. Argentina adopted a currency board system that pegged the Argentine peso to the United States dollar. This system limited the government's ability to print money to finance deficits. Instead, Argentina had to maintain sufficient foreign reserves to back its currency, making it dependent on continuous inflows of foreign capital. Several factors worsened the balance of payments situation. First, Argentina faced external shocks that increased the cost of servicing its foreign debt. Rising interest rates and unfavorable global economic conditions made it more expensive to manage existing debt. This increased the debt burden and worsened the balance of payments deficit. Second, the government ran fiscal deficits. Due to the currency board constraints, it could not simply print money to cover these deficits. Instead, it borrowed heavily from international markets, which increased external liabilities. Third, the privatization of Social Security and other sectors increased demand for foreign capital. While this led to capital inflows, it also increased exposure to external debt. Fourth, as economic conditions deteriorated, investor confidence began to wane. Investors pulled out capital, worsening the balance of payments and forcing the government to offer higher interest rates to attract new financing. Lastly, the fixed exchange rate made Argentine exports less competitive. This led to trade deficits that further strained the current account and balance of payments. The cumulative effect of these factors resulted in a balance of payments crisis. Argentina could no longer finance its external obligations or maintain the currency peg. This crisis led to a loss of access to international credit markets, a sharp economic contraction, and ultimately the largest sovereign default in history in the year 2001. From a financial history perspective, Argentina's debt crisis illustrates how balance of payments pressures can trigger sovereign debt crises, especially in emerging markets with fixed exchange rate systems and high external debt. This situation highlights the importance of managing external vulnerabilities and maintaining sustainable fiscal policies to avoid similar crises in the future.